Hello and welcome to today's MSAB Monday. I am Adam Furman, Tech Evangelist here at MSAB. Today we're having a look at XAMN Pro and mainly Report Builder and how this can prove useful for future investigations. So we've selected an artifact of interest and you can see here I've got 3 artifacts selected. If I want to add those artifacts to my report, I can do this by simply going to the Report Builder Add functionality in the ribbon bar, or I can just right click Add to Report Builder. Once these items have been added to Report Builder, we should assign a name to it. And if you're adding many of these artifacts, assigning a name is going to make your life easier. Once we're happy with what we've selected, 3 artifacts, we've given it a name, we simply press OK. Now, to go into the Report Builder building menu, we come up to here and we go to View Report. Now, Report Builder is system blocks, and for system blocks, we can simply drag them into our report, and this is how we're going to create our template of how we want our reports to look. We can assign cover pages, we can give it standard text, or we could include examiner certifications and qualifications, all this sort of detail that needs to be in every one of your report. So to save time, I'm going to load a previous saved report. And this is how you can share it with a team. So I simply go to Open Template, I select the report template I want to build, and this is now my template loaded in. Now the evidence we've just tagged for Report Builder, you can see here is evidence with 3 artifacts. You can see on my template here, it's a very standard layout. We've got qualifications and experience, what exhibits we've examined. Down here, I've left a section for findings with add data blocks. To add those, we simply drag into the data block. This allows us to redefine it a little bit if we need to, but once we're happy, we can press OK. That is now added into Report Builder. I can then simply preview the report to have a look at how it's going to look when the PDF is produced at the end. And as we scroll down, we can get to our findings and we'll see exactly how that data is going to look when it's produced. To generate it, we simply go to Generate and it's going to save a PDF. Hopefully you can see how powerful Report Builder can be and how it can be a huge time saver for you going forward.